Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download ReelShort application on your iPhone. So let's go ahead and dive in straight into the video. First of all, make sure to open your App Store. Also, make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet. Once it's done, go to the search box at the top and type in ReelShort. Once you perform a search for it, if you find this application in the search result, simply go ahead and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app. ReelShort is a free HD streaming platform that features original short-form show series. It is available for both iOS and Android devices as well as on web browsers. The platform offers a variety of genres, including drama, romance, suspense, thriller, and comedy. Soon after the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to open the app on your iPhone. Allow necessary permissions for the app and agree to the terms and conditions, and you will be able to open the app right away. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.